Welcome to another episode of Tinkerine Experiments. In this episode, we'll be using Goop to glue these 3D printed parts together. I found this Goop in the warehouse and wanted to test how well it works with PLA. The instructions say to use it in a very well ventilated area. Please use gloves and do not breathe in any of the fumes. Let's start. We'll apply it and then we'll leave it to dry and cure overnight. This is a lot easier than using epoxy as you don't have to mix two different chemicals together. All you have to do is just apply it, put the parts together, and then we'll leave it to dry. I left it overnight, so I'm pretty sure it has cured by now. Let's take a look at it. So far it looks pretty sturdy just from holding it. I'll try to pull it apart. It's doing pretty good. Now let's try to twist it apart. It's not budging. Last, let's try to snap it. Surprisingly, it's pretty good. Well, there we have it. We tried using Goop to glue our PLA printed parts together, and I must say it works really well. We tried to pull, twist, snap the part, and it just doesn't budge. The adhesive is really strong and it works great with PLA. Before I end, I just want to remind everyone about Tinkerine U. The platform has a lot of teaching resources like 3D printing courses, STEAM challenges, and other types of experiments. So be sure to check it out. That's the end of our experiment. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you did not, then a thumbs down below. Remember to subscribe and comment on what experiments you would like to see in the future. Thank you for watching. Tinker out.